Alright, so here we are in Moore County, North Carolina, and somebody shot the transformers at the substation a couple days ago, and I've been making do with my battery backup, but that Goal Zero device, turns out the solar is not functioning properly, so it's only getting about 30 watts from 500 watts of solar panels. I've never used this inverter generator before, so we're going to do it together. I've attached the propane hose with the keyhole here. It's got 120, 12 volt. It's got the general basics of a 2000 watt generator. The first thing I had to do was to open this panel up and fill it with oil. This is the oil fill. There's an oil drain down here. This is for gasoline emptying when you want to store it. The first 5 hours this thing runs, it needs to be under variable load, and then after that you're supposed to change the oil. So pretty quickly after you first use it, you need to change the oil. I'm going to walk you through the first startup and we'll see how it goes. So I'll just put you over here. This is the manual start. I have not yet hooked the regulator up, but we're going to do that now. Alright, so the gas is on. We're going to change it to the choke position. Pull the cord 3 to 5 times. There it is, the first start. So the key was to put it in choke mode 3 to 5 times, good strong pulls, and then shift it quickly to propane mode and pull strong to get that starting stroke. Under 22 volts. Very steady. Hertz. Pretty stable too, that's nice.